Hey guys, welcome back. So we are in the month of the Galaxy S9 and well, as always, a lot of new Galaxy S9 information is coming, but I'm amazed at how well Samsung managed to keep the real Galaxy S9 away from leaks. We have just nothing, no real image. Samsung managed pretty good this time I think. But we still have time for the release, so who knows when we can get the real life images of the real Galaxy S9. So first we have these new official cases of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus from Mobile Fun. At the front these are mostly the same as the Galaxy S8, the most difference is at the back with the dual cameras and the changed placement for the fingerprint scanner. He also puts the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus in these cases and it's almost a perfect fit. But obviously you can't use your Galaxy S8 case on the Galaxy S9 because of the new fingerprint and the dual camera stuff. And these cases further confirms the dual cameras and the fingerprint scanner placement of the Galaxy S9. Talking of cases, we also have Dbrand skin for Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. There's nothing much to talk about, so I will skip it. One more thing I never talked about is the new Galaxy S9 color. So in the invites there's a big 9 in the purple color. These official cases also have a new purple color and the event blast render also shows the purple color. Purple is an unusual color for a phone. But Samsung always do it. They always come up with an unusual kind of color. The deep sea blue, the coral blue and so now a purple color. Personally I'm not a huge fan of purple phones, but after seeing it in person I might end up liking it. Because at first I thought that there's no way I can like the coral blue Galaxy S8. But then I ended up loving it. We also have some new dummies of the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Some are in the black and some are in the gold color. These are dummies obviously, so these are not quite as good looking as the real one. And as I said it earlier, I love this design. Real and unconditional love. So yeah guys, that's it for now. Let me know what you guys think of the Galaxy S9 purple color. Do you like it or not? I'm not a huge fan right now, but who knows, it can change. Like if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more. Until next time, peace out.